Pure water, instantly hot. Dr.WaterX RO system. 5-stage filtration, UV purification, and 3S instant heat. Struggling with unsafe tap water or tired of buying bottled water? The Dr.WaterX Countertop reverse osmosis system is here to save the day. This all-in-one solution combines 5-stage filtration, UV purification, and 3S instant heat technology to remove 99.99% of contaminants like chlorine, PFAS, and heavy metals. Plus, it delivers hot water in seconds. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the quest for the ultimate water purification system and see how Dr.WaterX stacks up against the competition. Finding a reliable water purifier can feel overwhelming. Many systems promise purity but lack convenience or performance. Dr.WaterX changes the game with its 5-stage RO filter and UV purification, removing over 1,000 contaminants. The 3S instant heat feature delivers hot water in seconds, while the built-in TDS meter and filter lifespan indicator ensure transparency. The 5-liter tank provides ample water for daily use. But does it perform as well as it promises? Let's explore its real-world capabilities and see if it's worth the investment. Dr.WaterX is a water purification powerhouse. Its 5-stage RO filter and UV system eliminate harmful contaminants, while the 3S instant heat technology lets you enjoy hot water for tea, coffee, or cooking in seconds. The portable, countertop design requires no plumbing, making it perfect for homes, RVs, or small spaces. Plus, the 4:1 pure-to-drain ratio saves water, and the BPA-free materials ensure safety. It's not just a purifier, it's a lifestyle upgrade that combines convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. Customers love the Dr.WaterX system for its ease of use, clean water taste, and instant hot water feature. The compact design and no installation setup make it a favorite for busy households, while the UV purification ensures safety. Compared to other systems, Dr.WaterX stands out for its efficiency, durability, and affordability. Whether you're cooking, drinking, or traveling, this system delivers. It's not just a product, it's a solution for anyone tired of water worries. Why settle for less when you can have it all? The Dr.WaterX Countertop reverse osmosis system is your ticket to clean, safe, and instantly hot water. With its advanced filtration, UV purification, and 3S instant heat technology, it's a must-have for any home. Don't let water worries hold you back. Grab your Dr.WaterX today and taste the difference. It's time to upgrade your water game and enjoy the purest, safest water every day.